In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down. Tap on Siri. Here, tap on language and first of all go ahead and select your Siri language from here. Now tap on Talk to Siri. And here you can select Siri or Hey Siri, or you can just select Hey Siri. So I'm selecting here Siri or Hey Siri. Tap on Continue. Say, Siri, what's the weather? Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And that's all. Go ahead and set up your Siri with your voice. And tap on Done. And here you can active Siri with your side button by turning on this option. And that's how you can actually activate Siri or Hey Siri. Now let's see how it works. You can just say, Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Open camera. So that's how you can actually activate Siri or Hey Siri. Thanks for watching.